I'm Mrs. Latham, and I will be you guys' 7th and 8th grade language arts teacher this year. I am looking forward to working with you.
Hi, I'm Miss Dickerson. I'm going to be your 7th grade or 8th grade science and social studies remote teacher this year.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Martin. I'm teaching on the 7th and 8th grade remote team. So if you are a 7th or 8th grader doing virtual learning, you will have me for math. I'll have all the 7th and 8th graders. I saw a lot of familiar names on my 8th grade roster. So I look forward to talking to you guys again, and I look forward to meeting everybody this week at orientation night. See you then.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Sudemeyer, and I'm going to be the 7th grade intervention specialist for remote learning. I'm really looking forward to working with some of you, and let's make this a great year.
Hi, I'm Miss Book, and I'll be your intervention specialist for 8th grade. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. I'm looking forward to working with you this year.
Hi guys, this is Mrs. Martin on the 7th and 8th grade remote team. Just a little introduction to our team rules and expectations for everybody. You'll be having myself for math, Mrs. Latham for language arts, Miss Dickerson for science and social studies, and we have 2 intervention specialists on the team, Mrs. Sudemeyer and Mrs. Book. So the first rule I want to talk about is that the Google Meet link is on every Google Classroom. So you've been invited or will be invited to a math Google Classroom, a language arts, science, and social studies. On each one of those, you will find a Google link, a Google Meet link, and you are expected to go to that link at your assigned time, whatever your schedule says. Just know that attendance will be taken in homeroom in the morning, and then attendance will be taken through each of those Google Meets for every class period. So please make sure that you're doing your job and you are showing up to your Google Meets.
Regarding etiquette, number 1, Chromebooks need to be charged and ready to go for the full day. Number 2, when you enter the class, you need to make sure that your microphone is off, but your camera is on. And the 4th thing is, when you have questions that you want to ask, you need to write them in the chat section, and I will answer them. Or when I ask a question in class, I will more than likely ask you to hit your unmute button. So, looking forward to seeing you soon.
Okay, expectation number 3. Work needs to be completed on time. So, you will have set due dates. That's when you need to have your work complete. If there's an instance where it's going to be late, you have 1 week, I repeat, 1 week to get your work turned in. However, it will be worth half credit. So make sure that you know up front that you need to get your work turned in on time. You have a 1 week grace period. After the 1 week, we will not be accepting late work. So it's very important that you stay on track. We will do our best to make sure that you know everything that's expected of you, what needs to be done, and to help pace you, but you've got to do the work. You've got to do that. The other thing, part B, is that if you are missing 3 assignments or more, we do have to contact Mr. Owens, and he is the remote learning principal. So then we don't want to have to get to that point, but then he'd have to be reaching out, and that we don't want to get there. So make sure that you're getting your work done on time.
Communication between teachers, parents, and students. Teachers will be communicating with parents by way of using Google Voice, email, text, and the use of the Remind app. Teachers will be sending out a weekly team email and also a daily remind message of the students' assignments. Parents, we just want you to really encourage your students to ask any questions they might have during those Google Meet times.
Rule number 5, if you need to contact us, please do so. But just keep in mind our office hours every day, Monday through Friday, are 2 to 2:45 p.m. If you contact us after 2:45, please note that you might get an answer the next business day. Thanks so much. Looking forward to meeting you.